సచిన్ రాజ్ అత్యాధునిక వరల్డ్ క్లాస్ ఫిజియోథెరపీ ట్రీట్మెంట్ తో అన్ని రకాల నొప్పులకు శాశ్వత పరిష్కారం.
My name is Natasha. I'm studying in 8th right now. When I started Abacus when I was in 6th. Before I started Abacus, maths was very hard and difficult and I didn't have any interest on it. But after I joined Abacus, it was very easy and my answers were also very accurate and very speed. I got trained under Padmavati ma'am, and today she's gonna ask a few questions and see how accurate and fast my answers are.
Shall I start, Natasha?
Yes.
Take 5, add 9, add 18, less 3, add 8, less 4, add 26, less 5, add 7, add 5.
66.
Good. Now take 1, add 6, add 58, less 2, add 8, add 6, less 19, add 4, again add 4, less 1.
65.
Good. Now take 7, less 4, add 23, add 1, add 5, add 4, less 17, add 3, add 8, less 5.
25.
Good. Now take 9, add 5, add 8, less 3, add 2, add 5, add 56, add 4, add 7, less 9.
84. We are a batch of 50 members and each batch has 10 members. So we four are going to participate in this event. My friend Munna is going to join this event too. Thank you.
హలో మై నేమ్ ఇస్ మున్నా. ఐఎమ్ ఆఫ్ 7th క్లాస్. నేను అబాకస్కి 5th క్లాస్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను 7th క్లాస్. ఆల్మోస్ట్ 2 years అయింది. ముందైతే మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో నేను చాలా వీక్ ఉండే, ఇంకా నాకు అది చాలా టిపికల్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఉండే. ఇప్పుడు అబాకస్లో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత నాకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ పెరిగింది. ఇంకా నేను చాలా యాక్యురేట్గా చేస్తున్నా సమ్స్, ఇంకా స్పీడ్గా చేస్తున్నా. నేను పద్మావతి మ్యామ్ అండర్లో ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకున్నాను. సో ఇప్పుడు మ్యామ్ నాకు కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతారు, వాటికి నేను ఆన్సర్స్ చెప్తా.
Shall we start, Munna?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Take 94,
టేక్ 94,
add 48,
యాడ్ 48,
less 76.
లెస్ 76, 166.
Good. Now take 83,
టేక్ 83,
add 55,
యాడ్ 55,
less 17.
లెస్ 17, 121.
Yes. Now take 62,
టేక్ 62,
less 17,
లెస్ 17,
add 82.
యాడ్ 82, 127.
Good. Now take 47,
టేక్ 47,
add 56,
యాడ్ 56,
add 22.
యాడ్ 22, 125.
Now take 34,
టేక్ 34,
add 87,
యాడ్ 87,
add 69.
యాడ్ 69, 190.
Yes. Now take 85,
టేక్ 85,
less 23,
లెస్ 23,
less 19.
లెస్ 19, 43.
Yes. Now take 91,
టేక్ 91,
less 73,
లెస్ 73,
add 47.
యాడ్ 47, 61. సారీ 65.
Now take 76,
టేక్ 76,
less 18,
లెస్ 18,
less 25.
లెస్ 25, 23, 33.
Yes. Now take 73,
టేక్ 73,
add 65,
యాడ్ 65,
less 53.
లెస్ 53, 85.
Yes. Now take 90,
టేక్ 90,
less 76,
లెస్ 76,
add 32.
యాడ్ 32, 46.
Good. Take 80, less 65, less 13.
2.
Yes. Now take 47, add 57, less 31.
73.
Yes. Now take 69, add 53, less 48.
74.
Yes. Now take 78, less 12, less 25.
41.
Yes. Now take 87, less 57, add 65.
95.
Yes.
Thank you.
My name is Yashwant. I studied in 6th class. It's been 1 year since I started Abacus, and now I would like my ma'am to ask some questions to see how fast and accurate I can tell.
Shall I start, Ishwan?
Yes, ma'am.
Take 24, add 5, add 6, add 2, add 9.
46.
Yes. Now take 38, add 8, less 7, add 3, add 5.
47.
Good. Take 42, add 2, add 3, less 4, add 6.
49.
Take 39, add 3, add 7, add 6, again add 6.
61.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity.
My name is Revan. I am studying 5th class. I have been learning Abacus since 1 year. Today my ma'am will ask some questions and see how I am accurate to the answers of the questions.
Shall we start, Revan?
Yes, ma'am.
Take 24,
Take 24.
add 5, add 6, add 2, add 9.
46.
Good. Now take 16,
16.
add 1, less 2, less 7, add 9.
17.
Good. Take 38,
38.
add 2, add 4, less 9, add 2.
37.
Very good. Now take 25, add 2, less 9, add 6, add 4.
28.
Good. Now take 28, less 1, add 9, again add 2, less 2.
36.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity.
My name is Sanchi and I'm in class 4 and I joined since the last 6 months and I'm in level 4 now. And ma'am is going to ask some questions and see how accurately I can answer those answers.
Shall we start, Samshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Take 24,
Take 24,
add 5,
add 5,
add 6,
add a 6,
add 2,
add a 2,
add 9.
add a 9, that is 46.
Very good. Now take 38,
Take 38,
add 2,
add a 2,
less 9,
less 9,
add 6,
add a 6,
add 5.
add a 5, 30. 42, sorry, 42.
Take 28,
Take 28,
less 1,
less 1,
add 9,
add a 9,
add 2,
add a 2,
less 2.
less 2, 36.
Good. Now take 79,
Take 79,
add 1,
add a 1,
add 3,
add a 3,
add 6,
add a 6,
less 9.
less 9, 80.
Yes. Now take 25,
Take 25,
add 2,
add a 2,
less 9,
less 9,
add 6,
add a 6,
add 4.
add a 4, 28.
Very good. Now take 38,
Take 38,
add 2,
add a 2,
add 4,
add a 4,
less 9,
less 9,
add 2.
add a 2, 37.
Yes. Now take 16,
Take 16,
add 1,
add a 1,
less 2,
less 2,
less 7,
less 7,
add 9.
add a 9, 17.
Yes. Now take 39,
Take 39,
add 2,
add a 2,
less 3,
less 3,
less 2,
less 2,
less 6.
less 6, 30.
Very good. Now take 42,
Take 42,
add 3,
add a 3,
less 5,
less 5,
add 5,
add 5,
add 2.
add a 2, 47.
Very good. Now take 49,
Take 49,
less 6,
less 6,
less 3,
less 3,
add 5,
add a 5,
less 5.
less 5, 40.
Good. Now take 57,
Take 57,
less 7,
less 7,
add 4,
add a 4,
less 4,
less 4,
add 1.
add a 1, 51.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity and thank you, SumanTV.